guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia with Expressions of Grace. Thank you so much for checking this video out. I am coming to you really quickly on a Saturday evening. I just want to share with you guys some of the gifts that I have been working on over the past week. All right, so the one that is in front of you guys right now is a tub that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I believe it was last year for Valentine's Day, and I had it left over, and so I just stuffed it like I normally would. And I have it's a heart box that I used for this, and I just put some faux roses and some Ferrero Rocher in there. I also have a little stuffed animal from it's a little doggy. I think I had got it from Walmart. And I have a champagne toast fragrance lotion right there in the back. And then I have one of these perfume, and that's the name of it right there. And then, of course, one of those candles. And I just dressed it up with some faux roses, a red and a pink one there. All right, so that's one. Okay, guys, so in this concept, I have the vanilla ambient scent body wash and the bubble bath. I also have one of those cigar perfume sprays, and I have this heart-shaped plush pillow that I took off of a teddy bear. I used the teddy bear in the concept last year, and I had this I had separated from it, and so I'm using that in this concept. I also have a pair of sunglasses. I have a body loofah and a small candle in this concept. All right, guys, so in this third gift, I have the sparkling berry bubble bath. I have another one of the cigar sprays, perfume sprays right there. I have a small stuffed bear. I have a small candle right there. Also some sunglasses. I have the Yardley bar soap, and I have a small body cream. You can kind of see it back there. It says French lilac, a small body cream, and I have this heart-shaped sponge loofah. Okay, guys, so in this fourth gift here, it's very similar to the one that I just showed you. Of course, obviously, except it's pink. I have in this one the rose champagne bubble bath. I have the Forever Yours cigar perfume spray, a small stuffed bear, a pair of sunglasses, a Dove bar soap, and a Dove body cream right there, and this heart-shaped sponge loofah. All right, guys, with this gift, I used the 3-piece Spa Luxury Vanilla Sugar, the body scrub, the body wash, and the perfume spray. I also have this heart-shaped sponge loofah, this small stuffed bear, and I also added in there a one of those bottles of potpourri, and that is this gift. All right, you guys, I'm not sure if I had showed this concept in a short or something, but in any case, this is one of those single candle holders. So, and I did the vanilla sugar scent, the three piece, the body scrub, the body lotion, and the body mist. And I actually have the body mist tucked inside of the where the candle would go, right there. Okay, and then I added a small candle, and this is just a wrapped box, you guys, just to elevate the gift. I added some fairy lights with it, so this is what it looks like. I'm not sure how I'm going to wrap it as yet, but I'm sure when I do get it wrapped up, I will post it somewhere. All right. Here it is with the lights off, you guys. Okay, guys, here is another lantern gift. And so in this one, I used the Bath and Body Works, and it's the Freesia scent. I have the body cream and the body mist. I also have a small heart-shaped soap roses right there. And similar to the last one, I did the florals at the top. I also have some fairy lights in this one. This is what it looks like with the fairy lights, with the lights off. Not as dramatic as I hoped or really wanted to. I may go ahead and add another one, or add it a little bit differently. I'm not sure. The quality of the video is not that great with the lights off either. Okay, guys, so these are some other gift concept. I did one in pink and one in red, and it's just a small individual bottle of the sparkling apple cider, and I have some faux roses and some Ferrero Rocher, and I just embellish the box with ribbon. And I will be adding balloons as well to these. All right, I am sure I showed this concept on a video in a different color using Bath and Body Works, but it's the same cake box. And if you haven't checked out that video, please go ahead and check that out. I'd really appreciate it. So it's the cake box with the rose bear. And in this one, I have the Victoria's Secret Love Spell. And this, it's a heart-shaped tin. And inside of it are some soap roses. And I just did some tulle at the base of the box. Here I repeated the concept in these colors, pink and red and white, and I think this one is my absolute favorite. The tri-colored rose bear, pink, red, and white, and the Japanese cherry blossom. This is the Bath and Body Works mini, and then also a candle, small candle. I think this turned out really cute as well. This is using one of the cupcake boxes. This is the 4-count, I believe, cupcake boxes. And a cute little stuffed doggy. Another Bath and Body Works mini vanilla romance. A small candle. And I just dressed it up with yellow florals. I know the colors don't necessarily say Valentine's Day, so I added that little love charm, or whatever you want to call it, that little love embellishment. And I think it's pretty cute. I love this one as well. This is using, I think the 12 count cupcake box. I'm not sure. I got it. I believe it's a 12 count. I got them from Hobby Lobby. And I turned it sideways. Well, yeah, maybe it's turned. Well, I turned it upright sideways, and I have a yellow rose bear in there, a one piece of Victoria's Secret fragrant lotion. I have a juicy pineapple and mango candle. And behind there is a small tumbler, yellow tumbler. And inside I just have one piece of floral and 3 pieces of Ferrero Rocher. I adorned it with ribbon. And I love the way that one turned out as well. And this one is actually sold, praise God. So I'm so excited about that. All right, now this one and the one that I'm going to show you next, I didn't wrap them as yet, but they will be wrapped. And I'll add a balloon. In this one, I have the 2-piece Sugar Plum, which is the body scrub and the body wash. I have the Sugar Plum hand wipes, a small loofah. I have the nail polish applicator, the 2-colored gel nail polish, one of those Diamond, that's the brand, Diamond Cosmetics. That is a nail file, and it's in the shape of a disco ball. And I have a lip gloss that's in the shape of a gemstone or a diamond. And I love these 2 boxes. I love this box, and I'll show you the other box as well. This one says Brave and Brilliant. Love the colors, and I think that it would be really, really cute for a teenager. All right, guys, this is the last gift. This is the last gift for this video that I'll be showing. And this also needs to be wrapped. And I saved it for last because these are the gift that I had gotten from KOK in winning that I forgot what it was. I won something. I won something. And this was my prize, and it's the 2-piece Bath and Body Works bubblegum scented spray mist and body wash. I added this 2-piece Beach Vacay body scrub and bath bomb, the heart-shaped sponge loofah, one of those spaghetti bath things. I also have here a fuzzy multicolored eye mask, another one of the diamond-shaped lip gloss, and here I put the necklace that was also a part of the gift from KOK. I added a small stuffed bear. I changed out the ribbon that was on it and put that pink one to match. I have this Bubble Yums pair of socks and 2 hair scrunchies. And I think this is also a very nice gift for a teenager. All right, you guys, so thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate if you would give the video a thumbs up. You would drop a comment in the comment section, if you would hype the video. And just let me know which one was your favorite gift. Which one was your favorite gift? I have I have a few favorites. All right, guys. So thanks so much again for watching. I appreciate you guys. Until the next video. Shalom, shalom.